Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Malo tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk on the measurement of central tendency for ungrouped data. So firstly, we need to define what is measurement of central tendency. So measurement of central tendency refers to the statistical measurements which quantify where the majority of the observations are concentrated. So with the measurement of central tendency, we're going to find out that we're having three main measures, which is the mean, median, and then mode. And then lastly, we add a range. So in this example, we're going to work out on the mean, median, mode, and range for ungrouped data. So mean, so we're going to firstly calculate the mean. Mean, which is represented by the letter X bar, is equal to the summation of all, is equal to the summation of all observations over the total number of the observations. So here, the summation of all observations, we're going to say the summation of all observations, which is equals to 3 plus 9 plus 17 plus 14 plus 6 plus 13 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. It's equals to, we're going to get 70. And then the total number of the observations is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equals to 9. Therefore, our mean is equals to 70 over 9, and then our answer is 7.78. So this is the mean for ungrouped data. Then secondly, the question says find the median. So the median is being represented by the letter X, but the bar is not straight. So the median, sorry. So what is the median? Let us first define the median. The value of a random variable which divides in ordered data, which is either arranged in ascending or descending order into two equal halves. So what it means is that a median is the value that divides this the given data into two equal halves, whereby the other half falls below the median value and then the other above it. So what we're going to do first is to arrange our number in ascending order. So here we need to arrange our number in ascending order. So we're going to start with 3, followed by 4, followed by 5, and then 6, and 7, 9, 13, and then lastly 17. So after arranging our number in ascending order, we're going to say, for calculation of the median, we're going to say n plus 1 over 2. The value that is going to be found here is the number which is going to be found with the value which we're going to get here is the median. So what I'm saying is, we're going to count our n. We know that n is representing the total number of the observations. So we found out that the total number of the observations is 9. So we're going to say 9 plus 1, which is 10, divided by 2 is 5. So the 50 value is the median. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 50 value is the median. So this median number is the one which is also called the second quartile and is the one which is also called the 50 percentile. So our median here, is 6. And then thirdly, we need to find the mode. So mode is the value that occurs or appears most frequently in a data set. So the number that appears repeatedly in our data set, if we check, we're going to see that we're having 6 and then 6. So it's 6 again. And then lastly, we need to calculate for the range. So range is equal to the biggest number minus the smallest number. So it's going to be represented by the letter R. So from the given data, the biggest number is 17 and our smallest number is 3. So our range is equals to 14. So this is how we calculate for the measurement of central tendency of ungrouped data. So on the next video, we are going to look at how to calculate the standard deviation of this ungrouped data. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.